Most recipes are stupid and you don't need them. I want to talk about vegetables today. Vegetables are delicious and they're good for you. So here's how I would do them. I'm gonna add fat. I'm gonna use olive oil. You wanna use coconut oil, go for it. Butter, whatever you want. Aromatics, I'm gonna go easy, garlic. You can go onions, bell peppers, fennel, doesn't matter. Umami, I'm using tomato. If you wanna go down into sort of an Eastern vibe, you can start adding soy sauces and your teriyakis and your misos and whatever. I'm gonna keep it simple, so I'm just gonna add tomato. Salt, some form of salt. I'm gonna use sea salt. You can use anything that is remotely salty. The other thing I'm gonna use here, because I need to get rid of it, is just a tiny bit of feta, which I think of as seasoning, sprinkle it on top, it's quite salty. Other cheeses I think about in that way, pecorino, parmesan, that type of thing. Heat. One of my favorite things to do is just find random stuff that I get excited to cook. Aleppo pepper is one of those things right now. You can use any heat you got. Hot sauce, chili, chili flakes, whatever. Shout out using those little hot sauce packets you get with takeout. Bitter, I'm just using this as sort of an example so you learn. I'm gonna use lemon zest. Like most of the things on this list, you can omit them, it's still gonna taste good. Bitter, just something to learn. Walnuts or cocoa is a little bit bitter. Acid, I'm going lemon juice, keep it simple. Herbs, I don't totally even know what I got, but I'll probably use parsley if I have it. Crunch, one fun way of using crunch these days, fry some pita chips. Super easy. You just take pita, fry it in olive oil, crunchy, yummy. All right, the veg I'm using, zucchini. You can use red bell peppers. I love actually using carrots straight up. You can use eggplant. You can use any vegetable you got. Something fresh from the market that you want to use up. Apply this little formula and it's going to taste delicious. I'll show you what this looks like. Try a vegetable. They're light, they're fun, you can learn how to cook easy on them, they're relatively cheap compared to meat. Play around, have fun, you got it.